This video is going to be on substitution. So the key with substitution is if you see two formulas, there's a good chance that you can substitute. Let's go ahead and practice some problems. So with this one, you see that there are two formulas. So I'm going to go ahead and substitute. So I'm going to look at the second one, and I'm going to get y by itself. So right now we have y minus 5x plus 8 equals 0. I'm going to do plus 5x minus 8. Same thing to the other side. 5x minus 8. So now I have y equals 5x minus 8. From here, I'm going to substitute it in. So I'm going to take this, put it in right here. So it's 5x minus 8 equals x squared plus 3x minus 7. And then from here, I'm going to make it equal to 0 so that it becomes a polynomial. So we do minus 5x plus 8 minus 5x plus 8. So now 0 equals x squared minus 2x plus 1. And then from here I can factor it. So when it becomes factored, it's x minus 1, x minus 1. Then the final answer would be x equals 1. And there's only going to be one solution, so the answer is C. For this problem, we're going to substitute like we did before. So I'm going to get x by itself. So we have x plus 2y equals 10. I'm going to subtract by 2y minus 2y. So now x equals minus 2y plus 10. From here, I want to substitute all of this into right there. So what it looks like now is 3 minus 2y plus 10 plus 6y equals C. I'm going to distribute. So now it looks like minus 6y plus 30 plus 6y equals C. I know the minus 6y and the 6y, they cancel out. And so now C is equal to 30. With this one, we're going to substitute just like before. This time, I'm going to try to get this y by itself. So first, we have 3x minus y equals 12. From here, I'm going to do minus 3x minus 3x minus y equals negative 3x plus 12. And then from here, to make y positive, I'm going to multiply everything by negative 1, and all the signs flip. So now it becomes positive 3x and negative 12. So from here, I can plug this into right here. And when I plug it in, it looks like this. X minus 12. Now, one of the issues that we have right now is that the bases need to be the same for them to divide. So right now, the bases are not the same. So to make them the same, that 8 can be rewritten like this, 2 to the third power. Because 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. So we can rewrite it to 2 to the third power. So this is what it looks like now. 2 to 3x 2 to 3x minus 12. And when they're the same, what we do with the exponents is that we subtract them. And when we subtract them, this is what it looks like. So it looks like that. And then what ends up happening is that negative 12 on the bottom, it actually gets flipped up top because we can never have a negative exponent. So the final answer would be 2 to the 12th power, which is 8.